Hey everyone, if you already have a Zap running but need to make changes, updating it is super simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update a Zap in Zapier step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and go to your dashboard where all your Zaps are listed. Next, find the Zap you want to update and click on it to open the editor. Now you can modify any step inside the Zap. For example, you can change the trigger app, update the action app, or edit field mappings depending on your workflow. If you're updating connected accounts, make sure to reconnect them properly so Zapier can continue accessing your apps without errors. After that, use the test option on each step to confirm everything is still working correctly after your changes. So, once you're done editing, click Save to apply the updates. If the Zap was already turned on, it will continue running with the new settings automatically. Finally, double-check your Zap history to make sure the updated version is running without any issues. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully updated a Zap in Zapier. Now your automation is refreshed and ready to handle your workflow smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.